And this is the Mooney Garden Show. Just looking at a couple things here. I'm just setting up. I'm still anxious as I don't know what to get started. This has been here since last year. Even these plants here have been left. They just been left here. Um, so that's how they've been in here for months, just trying to survive. Got the timer on the side here. On the top, you see the white board underneath these trays. That is a styrofoam. Home Depot low sell it. Just 6 sheets into a pack. Anyway, they are there to force the heat from the pads to go forward as opposed to going into the wood. And then I got an older one here underneath. It's not as clean as that's on top, but that doesn't matter. You got the light there. I'm just showing you what I have. This is an old dresser drawer that was found. My neighbor was throwing out, and I said, "What are you going to do with it?" He said, "It's going in the trash." Anyway, long story short, you can do hundreds of plants with this here. If you know what you're doing. If you know what you're doing, you can do hundreds. Down here, the light is all set. Got the 2 fluorescents, the highest wattage I could find. Soft white, $26. Kind of pricey, but you could even do better than that. You can. The styrofoam, I could put another sheet in here, but the plants don't know the difference if it's stained from fertilizers and all that sort of thing. And then I got my little thing of fertilizer right there on the side. It's a whole gallon of it, ready to go. Here's a couple of trays here that I'm not gonna make a big deal about. They're just some. I was gonna start some plants I never did. Then these got started a year ago, or a couple of months ago. So they're dying because they haven't been fed or watered or anything. Let's see. There we go. And that's what it is all about, folks. Getting an early start on everything. So I'm cleaning all this up now. That's a big stack of labels. And somebody threw them away. You'll never use all those up. They actually just stickers. You just peel them off, but there's literally thousands of them there. So you'll never use them all. So, I repurposed it. Yeah, that's what I like to do, repurpose some things. And then you got the adjustments on the lights. What I did, they did some chains. Sell them at Home Depot too, and you just adjust them up and down. That's a shoestring hole in there. A real good quality shoestring with a washer. Key ring on each one. And so that's all set. And got a cord, and I put a cord on it and everything. And it was real easy to hook up. So I got all that done. And this is my box. And when they come down here is when they already broke the soil. Now, if I want to push it, I could put 3 trays down here. I've done it. But up here, I could put 3 trays up here. And you could literally put hundreds of plants in here, like I said. But for a light box that would normally cost you a few $100s, I did this for $26. That's not bad. $26, and for years it's been producing high quality, top of the line, badass plants, and that's what it's been producing. So I'm happy about that. And then these trays right here, like I showed you in one of my videos, they go for about $5, $5.50, $6 a piece. I got those for 50 cents each at the end of the year. So I got a ton of those. I've been using for years. Haven't put a dent in them yet. And then I got my bags of fertilizer here. That's for something else, another purpose, but these are full bags, about $7 a piece. How many I got in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 9 of them total. 60 cents each. Bought out of season. 60 cents each. Heavy bags. You just pop them in the soil and they fertilize for a few months. So that's how we do that. So I'm just showing you all this to let you know you can garden on the cheap. You don't have to spend all your money up. You just got to be a little more cagey about it when you do it. That's what I make that's peat moss right there, where I make all my soil from, my seed starter soil. my potting soil, everything. It's cheaper that way. It's $11. That'll make a ton of soil. Ton of soil. And then we got some soil in this container here. That little tray was bought at Walmart. I keep everything sealed up. That's the same tray there, just empty. So that's how you do it, folks. I'm right here in my little greenhouse, letting you know you can garden on the cheap. Now, when I start on my plants, some of the people be going out there, I feel kind of sorry for them. And they're going to be paying $6 and $7. No, excuse me, $4 and close to $5 a plant. I'm going to be getting my plants for basically everything for the whole year is going to probably be about 50 cents. And they're going to be every plant I need. So that's how you do that. This is the Morning Gardening Show. I should replace that timer though, because I've had it for years and it's a lot harder to operate than the newer ones. The newer ones are a lot easier to operate. And all these timers they had on sale when the Christmas holiday, I should just grab one, but I didn't. And I kind of regret that. But, I wasn't motivated to do it at the time. That's my light, 4 feet long. And it's doing a great job, and it'll continue to do a great job. And you drop it all the way down on the plants when they first emerge. Let them get that artificial light. And then once they get that, they start coming up out of here, and you start potting them off. I got all my big pots and everything ready to go. All right. Thank you very much. This is the Morning Gardening Show.